Imagine you could get free PowerPoint presentation template. Let's dive into the resource that can help you get free templates. The platform that gives you access to these free resources is called 24slides.com. I will drop the exact link in the description. So when you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. And on this page, first of all, you need to sign up. If you don't have an account, if you have an account, you can go ahead and sign in. If you don't sign up, you won't be able to download the free resources. Over here, there are free templates for PowerPoint and Google Slides, so you can make your choice and go ahead with the one that you prefer. There are also categories for most popular template, corporate and business models, data template, organization and planning template, text template, and others that you can check out at your own free time. Go ahead and browse through the various templates that they have and look at the one that meets your purpose and go ahead and select it. When you select the template, you will be directed to this page whereby you can go ahead and download the template. Download and customize it to your liking. For more videos like this, click on the subscribe button.